wonders. There's a sign somebody's going to shout right now. Somebody. Holy Ghost, where is that person? It's a spiritual shout. Holy Ghost, visit that woman, visit that man. That power of God. Where are those 5 persons? That power of God. Close your eye, close your eye. It's coming upon you. Receive it now. There's a fire. 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 Fire. Time. That's number 1. That's number 2. That's number 3. Fire. 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 That's number 4. Where is number 5? Where is number 5? That's number 5. When the glory